So what happened here is that this catch stopped catching when I closed the dishwasher. The numbers don't come on anymore and it's basically not switching on. So I did replace this switch about a year ago, but it appears that's not the problem. The problem is with this big catch. So I ordered one. Here it is. You can see the part number there. It's a Bosch dishwasher. It's brand new and it comes with the relay or switch, micro switch. And to replace it, I made one mistake. I tried to remove or release it because it won't release without those clips. And I'm sure you can see there's a little metal catch over there that actually prevents it. I bent it this way, which is now a problem because now I can't get it out. So I actually have to bend it forward, which comes out on that side there. So I'll have to use a screwdriver and try and get it back out. But the main thing is here you have to remove this faceplate, which is this part. Yeah, which has 2 screws in the back of it, which come off. So those 2 screws actually, this here screws on the bottom over there. 1, 2. There you can see all the electronics. Oh, and also you have to disconnect this, otherwise you will shock like I did. This is live, of course, coming in to there. So here it is. I eventually got it out. Those clips have now been bent forward, as you can see. I just need to straighten them out before I put the new one in. So this is the new one. It will just slide in, as you can see over there. Sides under, and on this side it slide under and then forward, and then I have to bend those 2 clips this way. 1, 2. So now this is how it was. Those 2 clips are now bent, and this lever is now solidly in here, supported by the bottom clips, and then I just plug switch. Make sure you push it as far as you can. This is not all the way, I'm gonna have to let go. Okay, it appears I can't get it further than that. I'm not sure why. Let me just check this. Just be careful, these wires are live, especially that one, so don't shock. Now to put this cover back on, this cover here, just remember to check there are 2 clips there, which will clip in on this main console in their respective places. Okay, so that's all clipped in, but guess what? I forgot to tighten the 2 screws to secure this faceplate, so I have to take this off again and put the 2 screws on. So the 2 screws I'm referring to are there and there. Let me just show you. So there they are in place. 1, 2. Be careful, they are not the same as the other screws which come off the door, which we'll replace shortly. Now all screws are back on, but due to the age some of them are just threading through, so especially these at the bottom. But just remember that these 2 screws are important, one here and one on this side, for actually removing the faceplate. and let's see if it all works together. Yep, it's working fine. Let me open, close. Even close is easier now.